what I just got. Magnetic tile set. And not just regular set, but the one to build castle for Elsa from Frozen. Let's open together and assemble. I am excited. You can build, of course, anything you want, but today we will build 3 castles for Elsa. There will be 3 levels of difficulty: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. First one I quickly built was Daddy. Not even from designer book, just whatever comes to mind. So we got 1 tower and stairs. Let's add 1 room here. So many doors and windows. Small and simple. Anyone can do it. Let's see if Elsa and Anna approve it. I think she likes it. Elsa said she needs a bigger one. I agree. So next one will be an intermediate level castle. There are 100 pieces in this set. We can build something nice. Olaf, Elsa, and Anna are excited. Towers should be that tall. I need more rooms. Anna agrees. And more pretty windows for Olaf to look through. Oops, Anna is back demanding barn for deer. The most important part is to pick design. This one. Let's build these towers. This one we will use as decoration. Putting purple roof. Oops, not yet. That's our progress so far. Watch the roof. Using Elsa magic. Let's attach some walls. Cute pink windows. You can open and close them. Let's put them on the top. Keep building. We just put main stairs and all we have to do is to attach second tower. Making the rooftop is my specialty. And we are done with our second castle, which is intermediate level. Comparison was Buck and we are like twins. Elsa is testing the stairs. She can see Anna in a window. So much fun! They like it. But it's time for Giant Castle, Advanced Level. And I am picking this one. Five towers! Wow! Here we go. I just destroyed castle number 2, so we have enough pieces to build the biggest one. Check it out, the rooftop. Oops, losing my skill as a construction worker. Oops again. And done. We are getting there. And more. Proud of myself so far. We need to add 2 more towers, and with some magic, Mommy's help and hard work, we just assemble our giant castle. It's perfect and just like from the book. Olaf and Elsa love this one the most and will stay here. Subscribe to my channel and we will play more.